Hey everyone, Brad here. I'm going to show you just some updates with the Jurassic World ride. I have my phone on me, so if it's shaky and the audio is bad, I apologize, but I'm just going to make this one continuous video. Now, the first change I'm noticing is the side of the building to the restrooms back here. They used to have the different dinosaurs and their heights. That is no longer there. They've completely redone it. They've added this scaffolding staircase. And then you've got this here, Ela Noom Bar, which I'm going to assume is a walk-up bar. Or maybe they'll have chairs there, but either way, that's really neat that they're adding something like that. Especially down here in the lower lot, because they didn't really have anything like that prior. One of the things you'll see, the building's painted, but I'll get there in a minute. If you look back here by the cafe, you can actually see that they have a menu. I can't quite tell what it is, but they are showcasing some of the food items. The strangest thing about this ride to me is that they say it's opening this summer, but there's still no date. No date has been announced, as far as I know. I just keep hearing this summer. You see the Outfitters store is closed. They are piping in music though, which is surprising because you know a theme park would want to have all merchandise things open at all times. Entrance looks good. Pretty neat. Now the building looks just fantastic. I mean, you got this gigantic Jurassic World logo up there. They made it this blue and dark gray color scheme. But probably my favorite thing is this huge dinosaur, this huge T-Rex you get on the side. It might be hard to see on this camera, but it is massive. It looks really good. Alright, we'll go up the stairs a little bit. You see they've got their raptor encounter here. Like a new little kind of containment area for them. And you also see water's in there and everything. I don't know if they're doing it right now, but as I was coming down here, I saw them running laps. So this ride is very close to being ready. The other thing I noticed, it got a little windy. Hopefully it doesn't pick it up too much. When you get on the ride, the first part where you go up and then take the left, before you go through the gates, it's all inside now. You actually go to an interior section. Which makes me think they're going to have a little bit more story to this ride than the original Jurassic Park ride. Looking forward to it. Should be a lot of fun, and hopefully it opens soon. But like I said, they're running cars, so it should be any day now. That's going to do it for this update. So thank y'all for watching, and